Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix call failed error on iPhone in iOS 18. So let's start the video. So friends, to fix this issue, first open the control center on your iPhone and iPad. On the control center, turn on airplane mode for a while. Now wait for a few seconds, then turn it back off. So friends, after turning airplane mode on and off, now go back to the phone application and try to call a friend or family member and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then open the phone application again, tap keypad and dial this specific code *#31#. Once you do that, try to make a call to check if it's working or not. So guys, if this method also doesn't work on your device, then update your iPhone. For that, open the settings. Now tap on General. Tap Software Update. Here, if any update is available for your iPhone, then update it. If there is no update, then go back to the previous menu. Scroll down and click on Shutdown and restart your device.